In this video, I will show you how to create QR code for Google Drive folder. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open the Google Drive folder that you want to create a QR code for. So in here, simply click on the three dots at the right side of that specific folder, and then you'll be able to find this share option. So click on that, and then on the right side you'll find this copy link option. So click on that, and then go ahead and select the QR code generator that you want to use. So for me, I will use Adobe Express. So in Adobe Express, I'll simply search for QR code, since they have this built-in QR code generator on the website. So simply search for QR code, and on the suggestions, you'll find this generate QR code functionality. So this will pop on your screen. So simply paste the Google Drive link into this section, and then Adobe Express will immediately generate a unique QR code for this specific URL. So you can simply select the color, the style, such as the dots, marker border, and marker center for your QR code. And that is how you can basically create QR code for Google Drive folder.